Okay, let's continue our tour and go inside and have a look around in this beautiful home in Netarts. 2,900 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. Very, very comfortable. Just inside the door, big family living area, some gorgeous stonework there. We'll look at that in a minute. Very nice stairwell. Very elegant. Lots of room here. Very nice layout. Very warm feeling to it. This family room with that big fireplace, vaulted ceilings, nicely carpeted, real comfortable. Big open plan to the dining room here. Big and bright. Very nice. Just down the hall. Nice comfortable hall bath. Very warm and inviting. Just across from that, a utility area. Lots of room, hookups for washer and dryer. There's a big family den back here with this view. And that's from inside. A lot of space, very comfortable, and it's all about that ocean view. Stay with us, there's lots more to see.